Okay, so let's get this done. We're going to start with number 24. Try to get all these final problems done. 24 minus 149 over 16 minus 11 over 3r equals minus 7 over 4r minus 5 over 4 times minus 4 over 3r plus 1. Is that it? So we're going to kill these I'm going to kill these fractions, this brackets right away. So we'll multiply this by this and by this. All right, so minus 5 over 4 times minus 4 over 3. That will give us a positive answer, right? Because two negatives we're multiplying. And if we eliminate these 4s here and turn these into 1s, I get 5 over 3r. Minus 5 over 4, right? Because minus 5 over 4 times 1 equals minus 5 over 4. So let's carry this over. R equals minus 11 over 3r minus 149 over 16. There you go. Now, what could I multiply all this by so that way I could eliminate these fractions? Well, I could multiply by 48, right? If I do this, if I multiply by 48, I'll get an answer. Hold on, 48. So let's do this. So 48 divided by 16 equals 3. 3 times 149, I have absolutely no clue. Hold on. 7. 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 2 equals 14. 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. That's 447. Am I getting that right? 447. Negative 447 minus. Here we have 48 divided by 3. We get 16. 16 times minus 11. I have no clue what that is. Actually, it's 176. So minus 176. R equals 48 divided by 4 equals 12. 12 times negative 7 equals negative 84R. Another 48 here. 48 times 5 over 3r, we eliminate this to put 16. 16 times 5 equals 80r minus, another 48 here. 48 divided by 4 equals 12. 12 times 5 equals 60. All right, let's combine like terms, shall we? Okay. So minus 84r plus 80r equals minus 4r. And if I want to bring that to that side, I need to add 4r, and I get minus 172r. Here, I want to, so all this is gone. So here I have to add 447, and I have to add 447. And I get, this is eliminated. 387? That sound good? 387. Looks good. So I have 172 divided by 387. Okay. Now the solution is negative 9 over 4. Negative 9 over 4. Well, let's divide by 172. Negative 172, and I get r equals negative 387 over 172. I am clueless as to why I'm getting that answer. I'm not getting negative 9 over 4. Or maybe I should get 9 over 4. Hold on. If I do 172 and I divide by 4. Here I put 4, and I get 16. And I put 12, 43. If I divide both sides by 43, will that give me the answer? This is a really shitty problem, and any teacher who gives you that on an exam is an idiot and should probably lose their job, because I can't even tell how much I'll have to do it manually. Hold on. 43, 387. If I put a 9 on top, 9 times 3, yeah, I'm sure I'm going to get that answer. Oh, they're idiots. -9/4. If you divide by 43, it's -9/4. That is the right answer. What a bunch of idiots. Idiots. If you would have put it minus 387/172, that you should get that. Full grades for that. Those are math teachers. If you get that on an exam by a math teacher, that math teacher does not have the interests of the students at heart. He just wants to validate the top 3% in the class, and he doesn't care about the rest of you. That's what that math teacher does. What an idiot to put that up. Idiots. They're idiots. They really are idiots. They really discourage the normal students. So 45/16 plus 3/2n equals 7/4n minus 19/16. Okay, so what's going on here? So I guess they want us to multiply everything by 16, right? That's what I think. So that's what we'll do. Actually, we could combine these together, couldn't we? So if I add 19/16 here and I add 19/16 here, this cancels out, but 19 plus 45, 4, add the 1, 64. That's 64/16. 64/16, isn't that 4? So let's rewrite this. 4 plus 3/2n equals 7/4n, right? All I did was I took the minus 19/6, I added 19/6 here, I added 19/6 here, and I combined it with the 45/16, and I got 64/16. And when I divide both by 16, I get 4/1, which is the 4 here. So let's multiply both sides by 4, shall we? Okay, let's do this. 4 plus 3/2n equals 7/4n, multiplied by 4 here, multiplied by 4 here. All right, 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 3/2, cross divide here. 2 times 3 equals 6n, because we've eliminated the 2, the denominator 2. Here, the 4's cancel, right? We cross divide, because this is really 4/1. And we did that. 7n equals 7n. Let's move this 7n over here. That's minus 6n equals 7n minus 6n equals n. 16, is that the right answer? Is that the right answer? Yes, it is. All right, so let's do number 26. 26 minus 7. I can't get over that other problem. What an idiot. What an idiot. All right, 5/3a. At least he gave this for free. At least he's not charging other people to use his problems. That's the good thing. All right, plus 25/8. So if my writing is too shitty, it's minus 7/2 times, open brackets, 5/3a, which looks like a 9. It should be an a here. Plus 1/3, close brackets, equals 11/4a plus 25/8. Let's get rid of these brackets, right? Do we agree? Let's kill these brackets. Let's destroy these brackets. All right. So we have a negative times a positive, so we know our answer is going to be negative. You can put that there right there. 7 times 5 equals 35. 2 times 3 equals 6 times a. All right, this one here now. Well, yet again, a negative times a positive equals a negative. 7 times 1 equals 7. 2 times 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. We're looking good. Equals 11/4 plus 20. Oh, a. times 25 over 8. That looks good. I'm very happy with that. What can we do? Okay. Well, I have 6s, 4s, and 8s. That looks like a 24, right? If I multiply everything by 24. What does that sound good to you? Sounds good to me. Let's do it. Let's multiply everything by 24. Good. All right. My 24 here. So 24 over 1 times 35 over 6. We can cross divide. I get a 4 here. So that would be negative 4 times 35, which is, I believe, 140a, right? Because don't forget the a here. Minus, put another 24 here. Remove that. It's a 4. 4 times 7 equals 28 equals. All right, let's do this again. Boom. 6 times 11 is 66a plus, put a 24 here. 3 times 25 equals 75. Very good. Let's move. I like working with, I don't know why I like working with positive. Well, it doesn't matter. Here we'll do a minus 66a. Here we'll do a plus 28 to move this over here and this over here. So this eliminates, but I have to subtract 66a here also, which gives me minus 206a. And here on this side, I'm adding 28 equals, I'm adding 28 equals 103. Can you see where this is going? A, divide both sides by minus 206. And I get A equals 103. Well, if I divide this by 103, that equals 1. And if I divide this by 103, that equals 2. And it's a negative, so negative 1 over 2. Is that the right answer for number 26? Number 26. Number 26. Yes, it is. Very good. All right. 27 now. Okay, hold on. Poof. 27. 3 over 2 v plus 3 over 2 equals minus 7 over 4v minus 19 over 6. How does that look? I think that looks good. All right. We gotta kill those brackets. We have to destroy those brackets. 3 over 2 times v equals 3 over 2v, right? 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 equals 9 over 4 equals minus 7 over 4v minus 19 over 6. So looking at this, I think we could multiply everything by 12 and we'll by 12 and we'll get away with it. To remove all these fractions, let's just kill these fractions. Put a 12 here, put a 12 here. Remember, when we're multiplying each side by 12, we have to multiply each item in the bracket by 12. Same thing as we did up here. So let's cross divide 12. And this here, we'll put this to 1 and we'll put this to 6. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 3 times v equals 18v. Plus, let's put another 12 here over 1. Here, if we cross divide, I get a 3. 3 times 9 equals 27. And that equals, let's cross divide, 3 times negative 7 equals minus 21v. Put another 12 here. This becomes a 2. 2 times negative 19 equals minus 38. So far, so good. I feel it's looking good. So here I'm going to add 21v. Here I'm going to subtract 27. Here I'm going to subtract 27. Here I'm going to add 21v. So this cancels. This cancels. I'm left with 39v equals. Is that right? I feel I'm doing something wrong. No, it looks pretty good. Am I doing this right? Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Looking good. Minus 38 minus 27. That equals 65. Wow, I feel I'm doing a big mistake. Doesn't matter. divide by 39, divide by 39, I get V equals minus 65 over 39. I'm not sure by what I can divide this. What's the answer? What is the answer to this problem? Is it 5 over 3? Negative 5 over 3? By what are those sick maniacs? Oh God, I think I got. Oh no, they're oh, I can't stand that. You have to divide both the top and the bottom by 13. They're disgusting. What disgusting human beings math teachers are. Ugh, it makes me sick. It really makes me sick. Is that what it is? 5 times 13. It does equal 65. That is disgusting. Minus 5 over 3. That is the right answer. Oh, I don't want to see that problem anymore. Number 28. 28